Hello everyone, welcome to next session. So in this session we'll understand how to install IntelliJ. So you need to simply go to a browser and search for IntelliJ, download, and we'll go to the let's go back, or we'll simply click on download here. So IntelliJ IDEA has so this IDE has ultimate version as well as the community edition. So we will be using community edition here. If you are interested, you can go for the trial also for the ultimate edition, and if you are doing it on Mac OS or Linux, so these are the versions available to install, right? So to simply click on download, and it will start with the so it is started the downloading. So since I already have the IntelliJ installed on my machine, so I won't be installing it again. So we will simply open the ID and we will understand how to start and create a project.